NowAssist Analytics is a dashboard that provides insights into usage, value, and performance of NowAssist implementation on your ServiceNow instance. NowAssist Analytics helps administrators deliver tangible value and enhance productivity, as well as identify trends and patterns in skill usage and search queries, enabling them to optimize the self-service experience and boost user satisfaction. The NowAssist Analytics dashboard is organized into 7 pages: Usage and Adoption, Self-Service Performance, Skill Performance, NowAssist Guardian, User Search Analyzer, NowAssist Context Menu, and Value Insights. Usage and Adoption is the landing page, which provides high-level usage and performance analytics to help you evaluate your NowAssist implementations. Indicators on this page are organized into 2 categories: Usage Summary and Adoption. The filters at the top of each page determine what data to include in the widgets. On this page, dates, channels, and products. This indicator shows the total number of actions completed by NowAssist in the selected date range, whether the count is trending up or down, and by how much. Some charts are interactive. The daily usage comparison by workflow indicator shows a count of NowAssist actions each day by workflow. The Adoption tab shows in-depth NowAssist usage and performance data broken down by various features, like department and actions per department, as well as feedback and error details. Use the Self-Service Performance page to analyze the resolution performance of NowAssist self-service experiences like NowAssist in Virtual Agent and Service Portal. The performance indicators show the total number of queries and query responses, and the query resolution status and resolution rate. The self-service indicators show user-initiated events and successful conversations by capability. The Skill Performance page contains indicators that help you analyze usage and performance of active skills. Charts on the Skill Details page pertain to specific skills, providing insight into skill usage and performance. The Custom Skills indicators provide insight into usage and performance of custom skills. NowAssist Guardian monitors requests sent to LLMs and their responses. Offensiveness metrics include total occurrences in this period, types of offensiveness that occurred, and occurrences over time by skill. The Prompt Injection tab shows indicators such as percentage flagged as prompt injection and total prompt injection occurrences this period. User Search Analyzer contains metrics related to search and results presented by NowAssist. You can view the total number of queries, the breakdown of queries based on source or channel, the top 5 queries with and without results, and the top 5 queries resulting in knowledge articles and catalog items as Genius results. The NowAssist Context Menu page displays usage and performance indicators of the NowAssist Context Menu. It helps you evaluate the effectiveness of context menu actions in assisting agents with summarizing, creating, and editing emails and chat replies. Count and distribution charts show the scale of usage and the most and least used actions within the date range. Acceptance and feedback indicators on this page show actions that were accepted or rejected by users, along with positive or negative feedback. The usage trend by skill chart reveals patterns in usage of context menu actions. The NowAssist Value Insights page provides insight into the estimated productivity gains resulting from use of NowAssist skills. Productivity gains are classified into 2 categories: estimated writing time saved and estimated reading time saved. The writing time charts reflect the time that the user would otherwise have spent writing knowledge articles, resolution notes, or incident and case details. Reading time saved represents time that the user did not have to spend reading through incident, case, change request, or interaction records to understand the context. Explore NowAssist Analytics and leverage its capabilities for your business. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.